So use the factor theorem to determine which of the following is a factor of 4x to the power 3 minus 16x to the power 2 minus x plus 4. Let's start off with x plus 2. Well, we need to solve what x is if we make it equal to 0. So just move that 2 over and we know that x is equal to negative 2. So that's what we're going to use. So p of negative 2 is going to be, well, 4 times negative 2 to the power 3 minus 16 negative 2 to the power 2 minus negative 2 plus 4. Okay, so when we figured this one out, we had negative 2 to the power 3 times 4. That's going to be a negative 32. We got negative 16 times negative 2 to the power of 2. That's going to be negative 64. And then we got minus negative 2. Those negatives are going to cancel out, so you're going to have a positive 2 and plus 4. All we need to do is add all of these together. So negative 32 minus 64 plus 2 plus 4, well, that's going to be a negative 90. Now, problem is p of negative 2 has to be equal to 0 if x plus 2 is to be a factor. It's not 0, so x plus 2 is not a factor. Let's take a look at 2x minus 1. Well, if you set that equal to 0, we've got 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Move that 1 over, so we've got 2x is equal to 1. Divide that by 2 and divide that by 2, so we know that x is equal to 1/2, and this is what we're going to substitute in. So we've got p of 1/2 is equal to 4 times 1/2 to the power of 3 minus 16 times 1/2 to the power of 2 minus 1/2 plus 4. So 4 times 1/2 to the power of 3 is just going to be 1/2 when you figure it out. 16 times 1/2 to the power of 2 will actually give you 4. And then we've got a negative 1/2 and we've got a positive 4. So if you add all those up together, you get 0. So p of 1/2 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 is a factor.